We are at the sawmill which uses the Hongno woodworking machines with a capacity of 12 to 20 cubic meter in 8 hours, depending on the dimensions of the slats according to the order requirements. The production line starts with the log cutting machine. Round logs are fed into a conveyor belt that transports them to the log cutting machine. The automatic log cutting machine has the function of cutting round logs into shorter segments according to standard sizes. The machine is operated simply by using a foot control panel. After being cut, the log segments are further transported via a conveyor belt to the twin vertical bandsaw machine. The conveyor belt system helps the sawmill save time and labor. Round logs crossing through the twin vertical bandsaw machine are pressed by multiple pneumatical rollers from the top of sawmill to ensure it will be stable in the mill, and cut into two-side shapes. The machine is highly regarded by both domestic and international customers, due to its thick steel frame and the superior quality of components such as the flywheels, bearings, shafts, and electrical cabinet. As an automatic machine, it only requires 2 operators to achieve a production capacity of up to 40 tons per 8 hours. The twin vertical bandsaw machine divides the logs into 2 parts, 2 drop slabs and 2-sided shapes. Now, firstly, sawing 2 drop slabs. 2 drop slabs will continue to be cut by 4 conveyor horizontal bandsaw machine, to maximize material utilization, remove the thin outer bark, and obtain wood that can be further cut into slats. The 4 conveyor horizontal bandsaw machine has a capacity of up to 13 cubic meter per 8 hours, and can be operated by women. The machine is equipped with durable groove conveyor belts, and thick cast iron flywheels with a highly polished rim. It is completely different from other machines on the market. The wood slats retained from the 4 conveyor horizontal bandsaw machine will be fed into the straight line ripsaw machine to trim the edges on both sides. Remove the wood bark from the 2 edges, and cut the wood into finished slats. The straight-line ripsaw machine can process wood slats with thicknesses ranging from 10 to 60 mm. Next, sawing 2-sided shapes. The 2-sided shapes are cut into multiple finished slats simultaneously by a multi-ripsaw machine. This machine is an advanced model compared to others, offering superior power, and accommodating larger input wood sizes. This type of machine can saw 2-sided shapes with thickness ranging from 50 to 140 mm, and has a capacity of up to 16 cubic meters per 8 hours. It is equipped with 8 active wood rollers and a pneumatic cylinder wood support system. The slats which are cut by the multi-ripsaw machine, have a smooth, flat surface, due to its carbide-tipped circular blades with planer knives. This is a high-efficiency woodworking machine line that has been proven in sawmills. The output products meet export standards, providing significant economic benefits to the sawmills.